Here's a number that changed my entire trading career: 73%. That's the percentage of time profitable traders spend doing absolutely nothing. Yeah, you heard that right. While the amateurs are busy smashing buttons like it's Call of Duty, the winners are sitting on their hands, bored, calm, and making money. Sounds backwards, right? Because you've been told success is about hustle, action, movement. But in trading, the more you do, the faster you lose. Today, I'm going to tell you why patience isn't just a virtue in the market. It's literally your financial lifeline.
Let's talk about market patience, the psychology behind doing nothing when your whole brain is screaming, "Do something!" Retail traders, the average Joes, they chase every green candle like it's the second coming of Tesla stock. They see red, panic sell. They see green, YOLO buy. They feel productive because they're active. They think clicking buttons means they're in control. Meanwhile, pro traders, the ones who actually make money, understand something deeper. Markets don't reward activity. They reward precision. Think of it this way. In what other profession does doing nothing often lead to the best results? Nowhere, except here, because the market doesn't pay you for effort. It pays you for discipline.
But here's the problem. Your brain isn't built for this. We evolved for survival, not trading. Back in the day, if you hesitated, you've starved. Now, that same act fast or die wiring is destroying your trading account. You feel the urge to react to every tick because your brain mistakes market noise for opportunity. You're chasing dopamine, not returns. Let's paint a picture. The average day trader, eyes glued to charts, heart racing, mouse ready, feels alive, in control, dialed in. Statistically, they're bleeding money faster than their broker can email confirmations. Every unnecessary click is a leak in your boat. And by the end of the week, they're not active traders, they're actively broke.
Meanwhile, the patient trader, they're doing nothing. But that nothing is strategic. They're analyzing market structure, watching volume flow, identifying zones. They're preparing setups, not forcing trades. They're like snipers, hours of stillness, one perfect shot. Because in trading, patience isn't passive, it's active waiting. It's building readiness while everyone else burns out on noise. And here's the math nobody likes to hear. If you take 20 random low probability trades a week, risking 1% each, you're exposing 20% of your portfolio to pure gambling. Now, compare that to a trader who takes just 3 high conviction trades, maybe 3 to 5% risk total, but with clean setups and good reward ratios. Guess who wins over time? Exactly. The one who's bored most of the week.
Here's what impatience really is: a silent tax on your portfolio. Every FOMO entry, every just this once trade, every moment you break your own plan, that's money leaving your account and going straight to someone more patient. And it gets worse. The market charges interest on your impatience. The more you trade, the more you pay in spreads, slippage, commissions, and emotional burnout. You're not trading the market anymore. You're trading your attention span. You think you're learning by doing? No, you're just rehearsing your own destruction. Professional traders know this game. They play defense first, offense second. They'll wait 3 weeks for one perfect opportunity because they understand what Buffett meant when he said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." And that's not philosophy, that's math. Fewer trades, higher accuracy, bigger reward to risk, lower drawdowns. That's the formula, not trade more, win more.
Here's the truth. Trading patience isn't about waiting, it's about enduring. It's about sitting through boredom without inventing problems to solve. It's about realizing that doing nothing is doing something. It's preserving capital. The most profitable traders in the world have the highest boredom tolerance. They see silence between trades not as wasted time, but as protection. They know markets spend 70% of their time going sideways. So while everyone else is shooting at shadows, they're saving ammo for the 30% that actually matters, the clean directional moves. Because missing the first 20% of a real trend is still better than catching the first 100% of a fake one. And the patience you build in markets doesn't just make you money, it rewires how you live. You stop chasing every shiny thing. You stop forcing outcomes. You start playing the long game, in trading, in business, in life. Patience becomes your alpha. Discipline becomes your edge. And your ability to sit still while everyone else panics, that becomes your superpower. So next time your fingers itch to trade for no reason, remember, the most profitable traders aren't hustling. They're waiting. Quietly, patiently, dangerously. Because in the market, silence isn't weakness, it's dominance. This is Suck-Cess, helping suckers suck less at money.